हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो को देखते हुए मैं आज बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पर बात करने वाली हूँ, दैट इज़ इम्यूनिटी। अपने आसपास आप नोटिस करते होंगे कि हेल्थ के मामले में एक जैसे दिखने वाले कई लोगों में से कुछ बार बार बीमारियों से इफ़ेक्ट हो जाते हैं। वेदर सम पीपल आर नॉट इवन इफेक्टेड बाय द चेंज ऑफ वेदर और एनी वायरस। So, what is the reason behind this? Actually, in every human body, nature has built a condition that saves it from any kind of bacteria, virus, and microbes, etc. This called immunity, or in Hindi we called it रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता. It gives the power to body to fight from various kinds of infections or bacteria. Also provides energy to fight from diseases that can affect the human body. Our immune system is of utmost importance and plays a significant role in keeping us fit and healthy. So here are some tips to boost your immune system. So how yoga can help us to boost our immunity? Yoga is one of the most effective and time-tested natural immunity boosters that can lead to a healthy, sickness-free body. Here are some key points of how the immune system is affected by yoga. There are certain yoga poses and pranayams for immunity boosting that can help you in simply looking for a healthy dose of prevention and also supports the body in fighting illness. पहला आसन है सेतु बंध आसन और the bridge pose. To begin, lie down on your back and fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor 10-12 inches from your pelvis with knees and ankles in straight line. Hold the ankle with your hands, or you can also keep your arms beside your body. Inhaling slowly, lift your lower back, middle back and upper back off the floor. धीरे से अपने कंधों को अंदर की ओर लें. Gently touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down, supporting your weight with your shoulders, arms and feet. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. You can also give support to your back with the help of your hands. Keep breathing easily. Next आसन है मत्स्य आसन और the fish pose. Lie on your back. दोनों पैर मिले हुए हाथों को शरीर के साथ जोड़ लें. Come up to your elbows and place the forearms on the floor, palms facing down. Breathing in, lift the head and chest up. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. If you feel any pressure or discomfort on your neck or throat, lower your chest a bit or use a blanket to support your head. Come back to the starting position. Relax with every exhalation. Next asan is Viparit Karni Asana or the legs up the wall pose. Slowly raise your legs up while keeping your upper body on the mat. Raise the legs at 90-degree angle. You can hold the position here only, or you can raise your hips and bring the hands under for support. You can also practice this asana using the wall by resting your legs vertically on the wall. Once you are done, slowly hold your lower back with your hands and bring your legs back to the floor. Next asan is Usht Asan or the camel pose. Vajrasana में बैठ जाएं and knees should be in line with the shoulders and your sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. Inhale करते हुए पीठ से पीछे की ओर झुकें और अपने हाथों को एड़ियों पर प्लेस करें. लेफ्ट हैंड से लेफ्ट हील को पकड़ें और राइट हैंड से राइट हील को पकड़ने की कोशिश करें. स्टमक को आगे बढ़ाएं, थाइस को सीधा रखने की कोशिश और जितना हो सके सिर और स्पाइन को पीछे की तरफ झुकाएं. पीठ को धनुष जैसा आकार दें. ब्रीथ आउट एंड स्लोली कम बैक टू द इनिशियल पोज. विड्रॉ योर हैंड्स एंड ब्रिंग देम बैक. Avoid doing this asana if you have lower back pain or any shoulder injury. अगला आसन है धनुर आसन और the bow pose. Lie down on your stomach with your hands alongside your body. Exhale and bend your knees, bringing your heels as close as you can to your hips. Reach back with your hands and hold your ankles but not top of the feet with your hands. Inhale and strongly lift your heels away from your buttocks and at the same time lift your thighs. छाती और thighs को ऊपर की ओर उठाएं. This will have the effect of pulling your upper torso and head off the floor. With belly pressed against the floor, breathing will be difficult. Breathe more into the back of your torso and be sure not to stop breathing. Stay in the pose anywhere between 20 to 30 seconds and release as you exhale. And lie in Makar Asana for few breaths. अगला आसन है वक्र आसना और द ट्विस्टेड पोज. Sit on the floor with legs stretched out and hands resting on the floor by the side. Keep your spine straight and bring your left leg with the sole of the feet. Let the right leg remain straight. With exhaling, twist your trunk towards left and bring your right hand over the left leg. Place the right hand over the left toe or you can hold the left ankle. Place the left hand behind to support the weight of the body. इसके साथ एल्बो से नीज़ को दबाव के साथ अपनी ओर खींचें. कुछ देर इसी पोजीशन को होल्ड करें और रिपीट द सेम विद द अदर लेग. Those who cannot do Ardha Matsyendrasana should practice this because this is easier than that. With daily practice of these asanas, we can build a good and a healthy immune system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it will be helpful for you.